Hello and welcome to this exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use $0. Basically, use nothing to create an online store. I know we are mostly used to stores that give you something for free or at a discounted price for you to create your own e-commerce store. But here, we are going to be learning how you can just do that totally for free by using Ecwid by Lightspeed. Now, Ecwid by Lightspeed helps you to connect to so many other places, as we are going to be seeing. You can be selling on Facebook, on Twitter, on other websites, on TikTok, and that is one on Instagram. And that is one of the great things with Ecwid by Lightspeed. You can even sell on Facebook. And it's so easy to create a store. And even you can sell on TikTok, you can sell on Amazon by just having a store with Ecwid. Now, it's so easy to do this, but let's first explore a few things here. You simply come to ecwid.com and it will land you to this page. So you scroll down here, you notice that your first sale is only a few clicks away. Here you don't need any knowledge with coding or designing. So with Ecwid, you'll be able to just design nicely looking products without any knowledge on coding. Again, you can sell everywhere. This means that you can link your store to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and you can integrate with online marketplaces like Amazon. You can link that to eBay. You can even link that to Walmart and even to Google Shopping, plus so many other things. Now, down here, you notice that you have automated Google and Facebook ads, which help you grow faster. You can also have TikTok, Pinterest, and Snapchat pixel integration into your Ecwid by Lightspeed. I think this is one of the best ones that you can actually start with if you want to create an online store. Now, you can actually, again, you can manage your store in a very simple way. You can connect your customers' favorite payment and shipping options from over 100 of integrations. So that means you are not so limited on which method of payment as long as you are using Ecwid by Lightspeed. Now, you can also customize the look of your catalog. You can manage orders and so on and so forth. Once you come to ecwid.com, this is the site that you find. Now, to get started, you simply come up here and click on Get Started for Free. It will take you to this store. So you come to this side and you fill your details. Then you fill in your email and then your password. Then you click on Next, Set up for free. It now loads your registration, takes you to this page where you have 4 steps to get started. So you have to finalize these details. For instance, what is your store name? You enter the name of your store as you want it to appear to your customers. In this case, by default, it's just written online store. Let's call this store Luxury Cycles. Then you can also now add your details, your country, your currency. I'm in Kenya, the currency is Kenyan shilling. I click on Next. Then you give your company address. Then you click on Next. You still feel now this the third step. Do you already have experience selling? What type of products are you selling? You now select down here. You have so many options: office supplies, beauty, automotive, toys, hobbies, and so on. So there are so many up down there. If you don't find your category, you can click on Other. In this case, if we want to be selling cycles, bikes, luxury cars, and all that, let me choose automotive. Then, are you setting up a store for someone else? In this case, no, it's my store. Then I click on Next, which will take me to the last step. Do you already have a website? If yes, you click yes. If no, you click no. In this case, I'll just put no. You notice what they give you, an option. No worries, just choose an address for your free website. Imagine You just get this. Please choose a web address name that represents your business and is easy to remember. In this case, just notice how they did it. luxurycyclestore.company.site. If I'm satisfied with that, it's okay. If I'm not, you can change this address and use your own domain name later. So in this case, let me just click next. Wow, so here we are. We now come to this site where you find the right plan for you. So for free, you can use Easy Online Store to launch your business for free, where you pay nothing per month forever. Free plan forever down here. And that's the beauty of Ecwid. But you can also have the venture that goes for $14.08 per month. You can go for business that goes for $29.08 per month. And you can also go for the unlimited that goes for $82.5 per month. So since we just want to create a free store, we just click on that and it takes us to this site. Beautiful. Now, here you notice that our account is already created, and that's why it has a blue or a green tick here. So other things that we need to set up are here. Set up your website and storefront, add your products and services, review regional settings, all this up to set up payment options. And you notice here, choose how people will be paying at checkout, including credits and debits, Apple Pay, cash, and more. So that's the beauty again with Ecwid. You have a lot to choose from in terms of payment options. So on the left hand side, on the dashboard, we have my sales, we have catalog, we have marketing, we have reports, and all this. The beauty with Ecwid is that you are able to link it with Instagram down here, Facebook, TikTok, mobile, and this means you can just do on the go sell on the mobile phone. And then for the configuration, you are able to also adjust your payment and shipping and pickup. So let's add a product as a sample. So I simply come here and click on add your product or services. So you notice that once we click on that, Ecwid gives us an option where we already have sample products. For instance, here we have sample blue denim long skirt that gives us in stock, one option, sample product, and all these. So all these are default and they're just samples. So since whatever we are selling is not related to this, we will create our own. But if we had an item or a product that was possibly close to this, what you will do is we'll come here and edit the product so that we basically edit this product given to fit also what we are selling. So since this one doesn't fit anything we are selling, we just click on delete all samples at the top and then we click yes. So you notice all samples product have been deleted. So we can now add a new product. I click on add new product and it takes us to this page. Here I can upload images and we can have the main image, we can have different angles of the same image, we can have a close-up of that image, and then we can have that product being in use. So in this case, let me just upload one image. Let me say I want to sell bicycles or a bicycle. In this case, I come and select my bike there and open. There we have it. Our bike has been added here, so I can click on view and then I can view my bike. I can close that. So I can add the price on this side. Maybe this is 3,000 Kenyan shillings. You notice here we already have the currency. So we can decide on the currency, we can say 10,000. On the profile, that is where you set your currency. In this case, I have set my currency as Kenyan shillings. Then you can give the name down here. Let me call it mountain bike. Then you can put the weight here. What is the weight? Maybe it's 5 kgs. Then down here, I'm going now to describe my product. And the beauty with the Ecwid is you notice they even give you a clue. What makes this product so great? Use this area to type in a description of your product, include images, videos, and testimonials to help new customers learn more about your product. So in this case, I just want to describe my bike. I simply type Hardy Classic mountain bike with new diamond rims and 5 gear options. So you simply describe your product the way you would want it to be. So down here, you notice you can place a customizable text or label, for instance, new or free shipping, over the main product image to attract customers and bring in more sales. So that means I can customize this one, maybe add new, add free shipping, buy one, get a headgear free, that's a ribbon. Then you can also add the subtitle. You basically give extra description of your item. So on this other side, on the right hand side, you have product availability. So if the product is available, you click here enabled. If it's not, you click on disabled. So I switch it back to enabled. Then down here, we have these options. Stock control. Sometimes you may make sales and you don't have that product anymore, or you have a lot of it, or you only have one item remaining. So this is where you manage your stock. So if I click down there, you can see the stock control. Either I can hide it or I can unhide it. So if I leave this page, it will take me to the page where now I can either say in stock, coming soon, and all that. But in this case, we won't go to that page. So if I'm satisfied with the description that I've given for the product, then I can now save that. Click on save. And now my product has been saved. So if I come to categories again down here, I can add a root category for the products. For instance, if I click on that, you notice here I get a new category name, and then availability, is it enabled? Then I can choose an image and so on. Then on gift cards, if I click on that, it means I can sell gift cards also, because here you notice, offer your customers something they can buy for everyone and every occasion. That is digital gift cards. If I come to marketing, it gives me the overview. I can advertise across Google. I can promote and sell my products on Facebook. I can promote my products on TikTok. If I scroll down, you notice we can promote sales with discount coupons. We can create a coupon here and all this. Imagine all this you are doing in Ecwid using the free version. So if I go back to my dashboard, so let me just go back to my dashboard. You now notice that if we click on my product there, we have our mountain bike already added there. So you have our mountain bike enabled, and it shows that it is in stock, and it shows that the price is 10,000 Kenyan shillings. If I need to edit anything about this product, I won't go from scratch. I simply click on edit product here. And if I click on that, I can either edit the options, I can edit the attributes, or if it's about the images, I can add images and so on and so forth. I can also delete the product if I have any reason to do that. I hope this has been helpful and you'll be able to use Ecwid to create a free online store. Kindly like our video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.